everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pierre Sapam. Kurumjari ma'am, I giving Pierre Sapam. So today I'm in New York and I'm going to do something which I really wanted to do from such a long time, but I couldn't do it earlier. So today finally I got this chance and I couldn't wait to show you guys what I'm going to do today. So please watch this video till the end. And before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Okay? So guys, let's go and check it out what it is. So guys, we came inside the mall to buy my shoes because I'm wearing this heels and I have to walk for so long. It's so uncomfortable, so I can't. So I came to buy new shoes. So finally I have reached this shoe section, so I'm gonna select some comfortable shoes because I can't walk in these heels. So guys, what happened is I thought I'll wear my heels and go till Times Square, but I couldn't do it. My legs were really paining, so I came to buy a flat shoe so that I can take pictures wearing only heels out there. But I couldn't walk because Times Square till our hotel is like 15 to 20 minutes of walk and I have already walked so much, so I came to buy new shoes. Let's see. I never thought it will become this hot. Oh, we are sweating and tired. Guys, we're about to reach Times Square. As you can see the billboards over there. We are already so tired and it's so hot. Times high. Hey guys, so finally we have reached Times Square. That's where I'm gonna do my shoot. Yes, I'm going to do a photo shoot over here wearing my Manipuri traditional attire. So yes, I'm so excited. Times Square now and I'm wearing my Manipuri traditional attire, which is designed by our well-known designer Arbin Tonjam. So this is called fanek, which we wrap, and this is called wankai fee, our traditional fee. So yeah, I've always wanted to wear my traditional attire somewhere out of India. So yeah, today finally we're in New York and I'm here wearing my traditional attire, flaunting my traditional attire. So this is the red staircase, which is really famous. So I wouldn't go that much high, but just so you can see an amazing view from here. Ayun, can you please show? New York Times Square the laikwa sisina red staircase kawe aduga New York sigi famous koi bahai bu Times Square ki billboard atau मैम थेले को हाइडी ad की वगैरह मूवी की वगैरह any अनोबो सिंग मैम दो सिगी billboard atau बुदा मैम ने थेले तो नसी मफम से लाभ कदे अपना नुंगाई हाई तारे मी तुम चिल्लगा लाइक मफम ने तो COVID-19 ओइबगी मरक सिदा मी याम चिंदो मानदम ने दो हानगी तमाइना मैम बुदी चिंदे खरा बुदी कोमधरे को अदु दारसु तुम मी दी हुजिक अदुम लाकनाई को आई ngatang si video da wangang bagi tung photo nambe mask thokpane ni ni मैम mask nei ko sida ado ahan mane ene smaina hui Manipuri di phi ilaga sida New York la ise smaina setting aga keno to koi budi winning budi am kui rabane ado haidi matang cha cha da bahai ka ja do ore ado ngasi di tang cha nai asigi Manipuri traditional attire set ba phangjare aina setli se designer Arbin Tonjam gi ne mana thabirak bane ado si machu yam phajai Yam phajabro ado yam nungai sigi traditional dress setlaga ngasi sida New York ta spine flaunt to base mi myam na si yeng ne ene spine set la phajai hoji sigi video na mi ngi resna ta mi myam mi yeng e do ke hai ni thang de dum nungai ado myam si video se enjoy to biyong ni hai na khale dum yeng bio ko duga comment section da hai bi o kamai na to ke hai na popra poptabra mathang na su set lura set khanura hai na ko Thank you, Arbin Tonjam. Thank you so much for sending me this. Yam phajai. So guys, we are sitting in between the TimesSquare because we are really tired taking pictures and videos and it's really hot. So yeah, and people appreciated me, like they said I look pretty in my traditional attire. So yeah, that's what makes me happy today. Would sit for a while because my legs are paining because of the heels, but I'm gonna change because I can't go like this. My heels are, you know, giving me shoe bite and I can't walk in heels because it's so long and New York is all about walking down the streets. And that's why I want to change because it's too hot and I can't walk, you know, wearing all this. So yeah, I really feel happy that, you know, I wore this here. So I hope you guys liked it too. We are done. And it's so tiring. It's not easy to dress up like this in this heat. Oh. Where's the music? Huh? Ay, gusto na ohay eh. So guys, I'm gonna take picture over there, the USA flag, and we are still in Times Square, the other part of Times Square. Seem like there is a pandemic going on. Everyone is enjoying, everyone is there, everyone is coming out of their house, chilling outside, and that's what we can see from here. This day was really hectic, but it was good, guys. I just want to lay down in my bed now. Oh my god. Hey guys, so I'm back in my hotel room and I'm literally so tired. I'm not even kidding, because we walked 7 kilometers today, which is a lot. And I just want to say that I got ready in my traditional attire. I was wearing the fanek, and inside that I was wearing the skirt so that I could change easily. So yeah, I walked out of the hotel wearing fanek and my heels, 2-inch heels, which was not that much. So I thought I'll be comfortable walking till Times Square. But once I stepped out of the hotel after walking for 5 minutes, I had a shoe bite and I couldn't walk anymore. So I told my friend that I need to buy some new shoes because I couldn't walk in these heels. So we find out something. There was a mall nearby. We went there and I bought the shoes, which was really comfortable. Yeah. So after that, I literally took out my fanek. I changed and I thought that I'll walk till Times Square and then I'll change there. So we did that. I changed near the Times Square in my traditional outfit, click pictures and videos, and that's how I did my traditional attire photo shoot. I thought that I could walk around the city wearing that, but it's not, because the weather got changed. It got so sunny, it was hot and humid, and we were, I can't even walk wearing that traditional dress. So yeah, once I reached there, I changed. So yeah, we came, and yeah, that's how our day went. It was really hard to make this video because I was carrying a big bag, and again I bought these shoes. Because of that, I had to carry another carry bag, because while changing I had to keep the other heels in the other plastic. So I had a bag in my other hand and a plastic bag, and I had to shoot the video with this camera. So it was really hard, it was hot, and thanks to Ayung, my friend, who literally did so much for me. She worked all the way with me and took my videos and picked so many pictures. Even she was tired, I got to know, but yeah, thanks to her, she helped me a lot. Otherwise this video could not have been this successful. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really hard to make this video, so I really appreciate if you will like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and if you don't mind, you can comment that how did you like this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.